trendybeats.com.
Ndi Anioma are here today in Enugu. And we are looking forward to presenting our memorandum, our request for our age-long yearning to create Anioma State. The quest for Anioma State actually began in the year I was born, way back in 1954, when one of our most distinguished sons of Anioma, the late Chief Dennis Osadebe, presented the very first request to the colonial office in London. And that request is that the West Niger province should be carved out of the then Warri and Benin provinces. So that is why when we speak and we say that the Anioma State request is the oldest in Nigeria today, it is because
even more than that.
It's more than that because this was pre-independent time, 1954.
Ijalo Africa, and I go up on yes, on your lewa, okay, back, account of Balaba, Obolon, Adema for what, so I guys don't need to net everybody at Cheba. I'm going to film, oh, yeah, cook special effects, your baby with your finesse, and go see a number of sense. I say, my one uncle, the boys and dog, they go out and was sending Okonaba. Yeah, Tipa Jibuli, the Meshu, Katata, Dikiti, I knock on one net just a solo boys if I get it. Yeah, a banji go spray cash, a combination, a con shop, if anything, neighbor, one jiggy, give one is. I just be for no dogu when I pull it. I just be for no dogu when I pull it. I just be for no dogu when I pull it.
On behalf of the people of Anioma State, the people of Anioma, and our convener of the technical committee for the creation of Anioma State, Distinguished Senator Ned Moni and Wofo, we want to announce that we have just presented successfully our memorandum, our powerful speech, our clear-on call for the creation of Anioma State. And we want to thank this special State Assembly for giving us the opportunity to do so in this public hearing. I want to confirm that the Ogbueshi Godfrey Odogwu presented and spoke powerfully on behalf of the technical committee of the creation of Anioma State. My brother here, Ambassador Chief Ogbekile, also spoke powerfully for the people of Igbanke and people who want to join Anioma State. So, on behalf of all of us, I want to say thank you for those who sent us here, the people of Anioma. I want to especially thank the chairman of the technical committee for the creation of Anioma State, Asaba, ISGke, who's the asaba of Asaba, the forget asaba of Asaba. He is the chairman of the technical committee. As we leave Enugu, we are going back to report to him and to our convener, Senator Ned Moni and Wofo. So thank you very much for helping us here today. Thank you very much.